family. Hey tastemakers, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. Today I am doing some sheet pan meals. I just did a haul from Lidl where I got 2 slabs of ribs. They were $1.99 each, so each slab was 5 pounds. So I'm going to prep one of them. Here's one right now, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do next, okay? So right now, it's Easter weekend, so I always like to have something ready. So the first seasoning I put down was salt. Here's some garlic powder. Black pepper. Cajun seasoning. And I'm going to bake these. Unless tomorrow, if it's nice enough, if hubby fires up the grill, I don't feel like cleaning it. I clean it really good before I pack it away, the grill, before I pack it away for the season, but then, you know, it still gets a little dusty. And me, I'll end up wearing myself out. I'll end up cleaning it and then, you know, just trying to do everything, shopping and prepping the food, cleaning the house. You know, I just want to take it easy. It's my birthday. I'm going to be busy this weekend, but I still always need to have something ready in my house. Salt. I'm just sharing with you guys for, you know, homemakers, new homemakers. These are easy ways that you can, you know, get food on the table. Ooh, excuse me. Ooh, it's like they said if you're not sneezing, you're not seasoning. And this always makes me sneeze. Tony's, it's my favorite though. Just get you some sheet pans. And the reason I saw that, I decided I was going to bake one of the ribs. And then I'm like, well, I might as well bake some chicken since the oven's going to be on. So like at Sam's Club Members Mark, you know, get some of these. Always keep some of these on hand. These are helpful for us homemakers, so that you can have a tasteful life. Not spending all of your money on takeout. That's expensive, and I wouldn't blame you. I mean, you got someone else that's going to shop for you. I mean, it is expensive to have someone pick up food for you, deliver it to your house. It should be expensive. It should be a luxury. It shouldn't be something people should be expecting for free. Somebody running around for you, you're going to pay for it. So if you don't want to come out of your pocket, we're going to have to do some things ourselves. Okay, so that's good. Let's see, what do I want to put? with this. I like pork to cook by itself. Excuse me. Oh, it's allergy season's here. Okay, put it in the fridge. Cook this by itself. It's too big. Okay, so I'm going to put some what are these called? Brussels sprouts on the baking sheet. I like how when the chicken renders its juices, and it'll flavor these Brussels sprouts, and then I'll add some Creole seasoning on them when they soften up. So I'll cut them in half. My kitchen is a mess. That's all right. I pull everything out and see, you know, what do I want to work with. So, need to get these Brussels sprouts cooked up. I have another bag too. So, later in the week or at another time, next few days, I'll do another sheet pan meal. So, these are cut in half. I'm going to put them on this side of the sheet pan, and then let me show you. Then I season the chicken thigh and pull back that skin. I took my gloves off, and then inside the skin I'll season it with Creole seasoning. Rub it all the way down the leg. I've already seasoned the back side. And I've done all of these other ones the same way. So you get in there, season it. Pull that skin over it. I'm low sodium, like I always tell you guys, but it's still a lot. Probably shouldn't even have that much. Okay. Alright, so everything is okay. Got that part done. Wash my hands. Then I got these small sweet potatoes. I'm going to bake them. All of this will be baked in about 35-40 minutes. I want 4. And I only eat maybe like half of one of these, maybe even a quarter each time I eat. Here is our chicken sheet pan. Right. So do that. So you can go on and bake it now. I like to get, I have time, so there's time for me to, for all of the flavors to marinate and marry into the chicken, so I got a couple of hours. Or you can keep it overnight. I'm not going to cook this now, but this will, you know what the drill is. And put everything in the oven, 350. I'm going to have the ribs at the lower level, on the lower rack, and then the chicken will be on the rack above it. Chicken, you cook it until it's 165 degrees minimum. That's the minimum internal temperature. Same thing with my ribs. They might even get higher just for them to be like falling off the bone tender. They'll be at least 165 degrees. And I'll cook them until, hang on just a sec. So I'm going to put them in the oven, 350. I sprinkled my seasonings on there. You saw me do that on all sides. I placed the meat side up on a foil-lined shallow baking pan. Roast for 1.5 to 2 hours until tender. And then, yeah. This will be probably the last time this year I'll use my oven. At least starting in May, it'll be outside on my grill or the griddle. All right, so this goes into the fridge until I'm ready to cook. Clean up, put all this stuff away. I did a haul from Lidl where they had canned goods for $2 for $1.50. So this is for the pantry. This milk is for the pantry. Same thing, $1 for these. So that's why they're still out. So I got a late start since I went shopping today. And so since I already had meat defrosted, I said I'll go on and get some dinners going around here. Okay, guys? So thank you so much. So that's a quick and easy way You can kill two birds at one stone. If you're baking meatloaf, go and put some chicken in there. Put some potatoes, you know. So that's what, you know, my mission was today. Just to, you know, think out your meals. You know, those are nice meals. Probably all of that was just $20. You know, and then I still have other stuff. I got carrots. I have peppers. So, you know, kind of in the next few days I can do something with these. All right. So I spent these meals there probably $25. All right, guys. So thank you so much for tuning in today. Just want to inspire you to live tastefully for life, no matter living tastefully for less, no matter what phase of life you're in. Okay? All right, so we're going to need to be really watching our pennies because the world's not kind to us anymore. So you have to, you know, make sure you're living a good quality of life. Get your rest, stay strong, get healthy, and manage your budget. And I'll see you in my next video. All right? Thank you, guys. Bye. Bye, Mom.